guys, you all are welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing VIVO Z1 PRO. I think many of you guys know about this smartphone. This is one of the best smartphone under 15,000 rupees at the time. But right now it costs like 13,000 rupees on Flipkart Big Billion Days sale. And guys, this offer is only applicable for today. If you are having Axis Bank or ICICI Bank debit or credit cards, you can avail 10% instant cashback.
Let's unbox this package, guys. In the box you are getting some warranty cards and user manual and a TPU case. It's flexible and it's transparent. This is how the smartphone looks like. First impression, it feels premium in your hands. And some IMA stickers. In the box you are getting 18-volt fast charger. And guys, here you are not getting Type-C. Here you are getting micro USB. I mean USB cable. And you are getting a earphones. It's basic earphones. As you can see, it's micro USB. It's not Type-C. Let's take a look at the smartphone itself. Guys, let's unwrap this package from the smartphone. Guys, my first impression on this smartphone, it feels premium. The corners are made out of plastic, but the back side is made out of glass. It's a gradient design. It comes with triple camera. One is for wide angle, another one is primary, and another one for depth sensing. You are not getting any in-display fingerprint scanner. In the left you are getting a button which works for Google Assistant. And this is punch hole display. Guys, for this budget no one is offering such display. And even it comes with a pre-applied screen protector. I am setting it up. Let's look at the punch hole display. This is the reason everyone is buying this smartphone, because of this punch hole display. It gives a modern look to your smartphone. It feels like you are having an Honor View 20, which costs like 25,000 rupees. The bottom bezels are toolless. Let's go to the settings. Here you are getting FunTouch OS. Vivo's operating system is FunTouch OS. Let's go to About Phone. Out of the box you are getting Android 9, Android Pie. I ordered 4GB RAM version and 64GB. This is how the camera interface looks like. You are getting triple cameras. One is for wide angle, other one is primary camera. Primary camera is 16 megapixel. Front camera is 32 megapixel. You can record 4K at 30 fps. You can't record 4K at 60 fps. You can record 1080p and 720p at 60 fps. There is an option. Guys, look at the display. It feels premium. When you change wallpapers, it looks good. Guys, this is the reason I'm suggesting you to buy this smartphone. If you're interested in buying this smartphone, buy it today, because this is the last day to buy this smartphone.
Still time left. Take a right decision and choose the best smartphone for you. If you are looking for a triple camera and you need a punch hole display, then this is the smartphone that you should buy right now. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And guys, this is the last date. Share this video among your friends who are willing to buy a smartphone right now. And guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned.